ஹாய் ஹலோ குட் மார்னிங் எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஸோ நான் உங்களோட பரணி. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன திங்ஸ் நம்ம என்ன இப்போ இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா லைக் மார்க்கெட் ப்ரொஃபைலோட கான்செப்ட்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ forget about the sounds because I'm in my hometown, so that could be a sound making process long. So that's why. Okay. So what we'll do now, so we'll just see the levels first of all. So how it is performed. So last 4 days I was literally busy, so I couldn't able to put on a live. So today I had come for put up a live, just only see the levels and how the market has been performed the last 2 3 days. So that will be like response to you. So these all are the things which we are going to discuss. Let's think about now. Okay, so first of all, like we have some particular conditions, so which we are going to see that. So how we evaluate the market on every day, so that is what now we are going to develop it. So the hope the sounds are good now, so because like I'm using a noise cancellation in my mic, so that could be a good bit better now. So okay, so let's see first of all, so how we are going to see the market, and I will explain you from there. Let's come in detail to discuss. So let's see the intraday context. So our context, let's build up now. So based on that, and we will be work out. Okay. So context building, first of all, what we are going to see in this. So monthly, weekly, and daily. So that is what we are going. We are every day the process which we are doing it. Okay. Let it go market. Anyway, it is open in out of the balance. So let it be there. So we will be discuss about monthly chart. What's happening, actually it was one time framing before and it has been stopped exactly in the POC and it went up, and then last 3 4 days it was made on a high on the equal positions, and then now it is opened out of the balance. So that means what it is shows that, like it was for as per now it was a neutral conditions in the monthly, but in weekly also let's go on try. So weekly also it's bullish mode. So this is an F period, but still we don't need consider that one. But still in a bullish mode, and weekly it's just only on a neutral mode. But today market is opened out of balance because yesterday rally was happened and failed action also has been happened. So this is the failed action which we are referring to. See exactly the C, this C types actually this area exactly rejected and went upside. So yesterday I was in the live market, but I couldn't able to do the live sessions. This one, yes, so opened and came down and tested which place we need to refer. So tested on this location exactly. So this location, so what it is we'll see this location exactly. So this location has been tested. So what we will do exactly, we'll just see and we will wait for it because it was opened a huge market. So let it go wherever it's go, then we'll see. Okay. So this was the best session always. So we will be like working on the levels, whatever it is. And you can ask me above and below three levels and what happens that one. So I will tell you now. So previous day volume, how it is, everything I need to check. So accordingly, we will be do our analysis. Previous day volume, it was very high and bullish side. It was in a green candle. So because yesterday was a monthly expiry, right? And today the new contract is getting developing. So I will be giving an like monthly levels also shortly. So that monthly levels maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I'll give you the monthly levels. And then previous day volume profile. Previous day volume profile, of course, it's completely the structure I have not liked, because these structures especially I have not liked. So yesterday was a weekly expiry, right? So today was a new like contract has been started. So where they have built the positions, that we need to see. So they wanted to close the market between 24,300, like 24,300 to 400, and they closed up. And then now it is open to 24,500 and above. It has been opened. So let's see. So how the things are going up now. So how are the things as of now is okay. As of now, the market was very good. So we will be doing on a very good this thing. And still now I have not did any trading. So that trading, once it started, I will update you what it is. Okay. So good morning all, and whoever is watching, just put the good morning. So just comment if you have any doubts about market profile. And we are using market profile since last 1.5 years almost now, and I'm using quantover software. So quantover software, which is very the best in the market. And I think now I'm going to use Zone the bell TPO, because the bell TPO is more accurate, and then it's saves the data in system itself. So I wanted to move a permanent software. So I don't like every subscriptions for every years once. That one, that is for lifetime we can purchase. And then for the tick data we need to purchase. So tick data we can purchase from outside. That will be cost around per year 12,000 to 13,000 something it will come. So this is per year 30,000. So instead of this, we will buy once a software that, and we will buy the tick data. So that will be more accurate as well. And of course, because it's opened a big gap up, so the market little fear about it. So whoever wanted to buy, and buyers, and they were done their trading here itself. So they wanted to take it up yesterday evening only. So this was completely one time framing. It was one time framing, then it came down, and again it is completely one time framing. So this push actually has been opened the gap up. So maybe there will be news in the market, everything. So that we are not going to looking into further, and we will be like waiting for B period to build, because B period also it should be finished. So then only we can able to find out the markets. I'm seeing like big cap up opening, like it will not give more profit to us. And let me show you how much big opening this one. So this one almost you see 75 points already up in this one. Like yes, 75 points already it's up. So how we can able to expect the price is 200 points is up. Boss is 745, but 200 points is upside. So that is why. So bank nifty also, let's see. So bank nifty how it's performing. So bank nifty I have on a different version. So I have only market profile I'm seeing in that. So market profile in that one yesterday was inside bar, like first 30 minutes candle it's not crossed. So that is why, and equal volume also has been developed in that. So volume profile just opened in that one, so I will update you on that. and hope my voice is clear. So if anybody hearing, just let me know my voice is clear or not. So this one bank must Nifty bank. The Nifty bank also is opened out of the range, and then it exactly touched yesterday's, like day before yesterday's high, this level, and it went up. So because of bank Nifty, I think Nifty also is looks bullish. Let's see so how it is, how it's going, because banks are performing well now. So how long? Let's see. So bank Nifty is 400 points is up, and Nifty is 200 points is open to gap up. I'm waiting for to finish this B period also to be completed, and we will find out 30 minutes POC, any naked POC are there. So based on that, that naked POC we can able to try the best. Like 30 minutes naked POC, here it is. So this is also touched. 30 minutes naked POC, of course. Yes, we have here 24,687. So this could be a very good reference. Already we marked and kept it ready. So what we'll do, we will wait for the levels and wait for the first initial balance period should finish, because in these conditions, so my view is that monthly is like expanding to upside, and like it was balanced more, it was balancing still yesterday, and today it has been opened the gap up, so that means it's expanding mode that has come. Weekly context is just supporting because it was giving an neutral and bullish setup, and then daily we have three references, and that three references, it's kind of on a gap, and then and some other things are there, and we check the previous day volume and volume profile and value migration, and like kind of a volume, how it is developed in that areas. And these are the things we'll see. And the inventory position also is very important, like it is too long or too short should be very important. So too short means would be the base, we need to check it up how it is too fast. Mm, so yes, let's see. What I mean to say that too long and too short means the market how it is. So how the poor high and poor low is getting formed. See this, only two TPOs, two TPOs, two TPOs. It's a too short, right? It is very too short. So when too short it comes, what it will do, then it will cover the like short covering, it will happen. So this short covering it's happening here. So let's wait and watch exactly, and we'll. So exactly what we will do, like we will watch the market very closely. It is too short or too long, that we will analyze it. And we have a reference, only one reference in 30 minutes POC. And upside and downside, still now I have not developed on a levels. Like in upside, if you see, there is a POC. This is a POC. So this one, like how many TPOs? 3, 6, 9, and 12. So this POC was very strong. This is a prominent POC, and even though you see this one, like a volume profile POC also in the same place. So that means that this is a strong reference. It can able to touch, and downside also we can take the reference. Downside, you see this. So here was a rejection was happening in this place, and it went up, and volume profile is downside, and here on POC is there. So let's take it up. These two levels are on a different, like on a reference, and then any other references, any other like kind of on a balanced areas are there, that also we will take it as a reference. Okay, so balanced areas, any nearest areas, we need to check it up. Any nearest areas. Here also no balanced areas, and you see last week we can merge it and we can able to take another reference. So last week dates we will refer from 19th to 25th. So 19th to 25th we will take it up. We will merge and we will see what's happened. So 19th to 25th we merged. So what's happened? And we will take on a previous week itself. So we will get an like an overall structure how it is. So 12th to 18th I need to merge. So 12th to 18th. So 12th to 18th if we merge. So 12 to 18 we merged. So what happened? It has come on inside the range exactly. The value very low, like it got rejected and came down, and it has been closed in this place itself. And now what it has happened? It's gap up here, this area. So that means previous week high near it is. So this is previous week high, this area. And we have the POC here. So this POC also we have taken as a reference, right? And one POC here and downside one POC we have taken as a reference. That's it. So let's wait and watch. So which places are very strong. And today, due to the gap up opening, I will be in like kind of on a bullish, but still like in weekly it shows bullish and monthly it shows kind of on a expanding because till yesterday it was on a balanced mode. Like how I am telling the balanced mode means like this it is. So this all balanced mode are there, so that's why actually I'm not interested in monthly was just just as a reference we'll take it up, that's it. Okay, so see this, it's come here. Okay, so we have in weekly kind of on a one single print. So this single print is 24,590. 24,590. If you see 24,590 is of course these places. So this place exactly it shows. We'll wait for some time for developing on different levels, because here weekly value area low also is there. Exactly it's came to this level and it went. So this is value area high. If you see this is value area high and it came and touched this level and went up. And what we are waiting now, either seller exhaustion or buyer absorption should be happened. See this 460 lot, 235 lot, 275 lot, hope you can see this. So this all details are there, but still market wanted to break. So it's formed on a first candle. It's not broken. And what we will do, generally what we will do, our core concept is very simple. So we will find a balance. First we'll find imbalance in the market and we will find a balance in that, and whichever is breaks and we will take it up. So hope you understand. See this is like rally base and again rally and again base. So this base and again rally. So where we will exactly take a trade, and this location we will take a trade. Where it is breaking, this location will take a trade. Or if downside, if it is breaks this there, here we will take a trade. And what we will do here, we will observe the market in this place, which is how it is going to be, how it is like buyers exhaustion or seller absorption, whoever it is. So that we will see. So once that we will find it out and we will get easily the levels. So that is why. And then we will compare with OA. See this, how the buyers have come, seller absorption is done, buyers have come. So due to that, we'll exactly check it up. So then we'll see. Okay, so it has been broken now, the level of first one, and then we are seeing a good amount of buyers also, like a good amount of buying also activity is happening. So we could able to catch some small points of it from here. And today is the new contract, so we don't want to worry about it. So new contract is, it's always good for us, and then long term, like we have many days to hold. So till where we are waiting actually. So we are waiting to till this POC. So till this POC, and here also the low volumes are there. Here completely low volumes. But what I feel that the rejection has been happened, and this one like this area has been many times gotten a rejection. This levels, right? See this many times gotten a rejection, and again the same place is open. It's came down. So weekly we will just reset all. See this many times the rejection has been happened in this location and it came down, and from here itself it's given on a very good rally, like in the same place it's almost given on a very good rally till here and till here, and now it is going to get break because of the good amount of buyers have in the market. So what's happening now, so is exactly the buyers get into the market and they are just take it up. And then of course we will see the OA chart as well. So OA chart exactly we will do as per our research. Okay. So OA chart, you know that how we will exactly seeing. So OA chart I will just share you now, because OA chart is a best method we have that in the market. So how we are seeing the OA chart. Hope you can see my. So you can see the OA chart. So how we are referring the OA chart now. See exactly the levels how we are seeing. So 5 minute chart generally we are taking it up, and like I told you that short covering it will happen because of the market is too short. So due to that it's happening in a like short covering. And then you can see the buyers how they stepped into the market and then they exactly moved up. And then you can see the live options from the sensible. So sensible exactly I will be referring always. And who is in the overall market they are pushing up. See the call OA is 1.7 crore and put OA is 2.3 crore. That means they are changed by today. So the put OA has been very good development in the market. And then the open interest, if you see the open interest is almost put OA is 6 crore and call OA is 5.95 crore. They are both are equal. And who is running the market in front of it? If you see this, they are running the market in front of this. You can exactly you can see this, because if behind they are both are strong, and front side if when you see this 24,350 the developments happening, that means they wanted to take step forward. And then you take with this. So sorry for the sound. The sound is definitely was very bad. I don't know. Like I think in another 5 6 days it will be like that only. So I will be like in my hometown. So that is why especially the sounds are like that, because like many autos and like it's very near to the road my house. That's why. So let's wait. So we are seeing a strength in the market, and you see the levels. You see the levels exactly. See the levels. See the levels. Here it is. So we kept on a 5 years and we drawn a vertical line. In the vertical line we can see the developments how they are developing, and you see last 10 minutes the unwinding happening in the call options. So that means like they are going out from the market, so they are just entering into the put options. So they wanted to take it up the market upside. That is why. Okay. So let's wait and watch how it will be happening. So last 5 minutes and full days will take it up. We'll come to the chart now. So we can see the order flow, the best in the market. So we can see completely the buyers are there, and here also the buyers are getting into the market. And we our references, especially I have told you our references especially is this. So I wanted to break these levels. So where it is I wanted to break, exactly I told you, right, at this level I wanted to break, and this has been broken now. And I will just draw the line and show you. So this is what the levels which we have told. See this, we have told these levels, we have told this level, right? So this level has been broken. A period itself it's broken, and B period, and B periods should come this area like this POC. So this POC, if it is comes, why I'm confident on this POC, because it was a prominent POC. So that prominent POC definitely it will come, maybe today or tomorrow maximum it will come. So that is what my confident levels over there. So let's wait. So what is the levels, I will just tell you: 24,665 to 24,655. So between these 10 points I'm in the line now. How exactly the levels it's meeting on a B and period? So what it does, this is the open drive, like open test drive is happening. This is not open drive, open test drive. So open test drive it's happened. So if in case when it's opening time, so I would be taking a trade somewhere here, because I'll be referring to the profile, and then when I see the buying volume here, so I would have taken a trade. But our strategy is very simple. I told you I will see rally and base method. So rally and base method is very good in the market, and you don't need this kind of order flow chart and all. So order flow chart and all, it's record only when you need to take a trade exactly right moment. So that's why. Okay, very simple concept, rally and base. So the rally and base you have to see. And today I think whatever the trades we are executing, that trade it could not be like could not be executed today, so it should be tomorrow. That's why. Okay, because today I think the calendar year closing, right? I think something like that I have heard about it. And we have taken a pepper trade, so let's see how it does perform. And whenever guys, if you have any doubt, uh, thank you ma'am, thank you. I don't actually, the many sounds are coming up from outside. So that's why I just wanted to let you know, guys. So still, I'm using that noise cancellation, but I don't know if you're hearing the sounds or not. Maybe after finishing my live, I will be rechecking my videos. So how it is. So whenever, like whenever you take a trade, just be responsible for your trade. Okay. It's a Eid today. Okay. I think today Onam also. The all Keralites, I think they're celebrating Onam also. We can tell to our friends. I have many friends in Kerala, so they are also celebrating Onams, and today they were all responding to me, happy Onam. So what we'll do, is like this order flow and market profile, like it's a very easy concept to understand. The market profile, the market profile is simple, very simple. Like whatever you the like in market, if you see, many peoples are using candlesticks pattern and then indicators and all. So this is not kind of an indicator, this is kind of an analyzing the market. the way we wanted it. So how the market is exactly, and how it is performing well in the areas. So if in case I have missed the trade yesterday. Yesterday I was supposed to take an entry here, but I have not taken an entry. I was waiting actually. I don't wanted to trade. I was so tired. I was still in the live, but I wanted to see the market and how the balance. So here also we can take, and here also we can take. So both the locations I was in live, but I have not taken a trade because I wanted to just watch the market. That's it. And today I had come to explain you the concept. So how it is the levels are going to be on a live. So as I told you that B period are getting started to print, and now 22 minutes, another 22 minutes are there to finish this B period. Based on this B period only, like we will be like how the market is going to be. And already it's formed a imbalance here. So this imbalance, if it is touch, and again the buyers are getting step into this. And you know that we find a rally and we find a base, and we got on a breakout and we have taken. Why we got on a breakout here? How we are come arrived to breakout? Because the see the buyers, exactly the buyers. That's why we had come out, like we had come on the this is on a breakout mode. So then we have taken a trade, and again it went up, and this area has been like the POC has been formed, the big volume, and coming back to test the imbalance area. So this imbalance area, it's most efficient, then again it will move forward from these levels. Let's wait. We are not a like on a exact predictors or whatever it is. We are just analyzing the market the way we wanted. So we are waiting, and we are exactly waiting for the levels, and we are taking on a trade. So we are not just pre-planning and then and I wanted to suggest you guys that you don't need to take on any course with anybody. Like whatever the things you required, whatever the like required for to learn market profile, all the details are available in the YouTube channels itself. Not in my YouTube channels. It's completely have available in different YouTube channels. So you can learn from there, and you can watch my live, because I have learned from the mentors. So that I can able to implement. I'm implementing in the my trading style. So that trading style without changing anything, I'm just doing it here. So the same way you can learn from me, from my side. So that's absolutely free. I'm not going to charge anything. So you just watch my videos and learn from these videos. That's it. So every day live I will be like 9, 9, 10 I will be in live until first 1 hour period, and maybe I'm on vacation now, so that I can able to wait till another 1 hour also, like maybe 2 hours per day I can put live. So here was on a naked POC. I told you from the market profile. So this one, like 30 minutes naked POC was there. So that naked POC just got on a hit. So that's why, like this is not a naked POC. This was on a value area low, right? The value area low was here, and this one what it is, and this levels only we marked. Yeah. So this levels we marked here many times. It has been come and placed over there. This is one of the good reference actually. And open market it came down also for breaking the same level. It is trying a lot this area. It's taking little time. So after, if once it's got breakout, then it will go from here. So let's see. And its levels got tested in this place. This is a high volume node. So this all high volume node. So this high volume node, it has been taken on a support again. So let's check it up now. So how the market is going to perform. B period is another 18 minutes are there. So first initial balance once get started to build, then it will be easy for us to predict the market kind of this situation, because the market is opened out of balance in the main sense that it's going to be in a bullish mode. It's in a bullish mode and it wanted to defend also. Let's try whatever it is. So what we will do exactly that the levels which we are able to see in front of our eyes. So that is on a true levels from my side. So I have once I will finish my trading, I'll just let you know like my paper trade once it's got closed, then I will update you. So where I have taken exactly the trade and how it is on which on what based I have taken a trade. So these three things I wanted to let you know, guys. So because everybody is seeking for a best strategy and all. There is no best strategy. So you just understand the market and trade accordingly. So this is the base. So just understand this, and you will get the best. So same thing it's happening in the market. So what we will do, we will find the locations where it is exactly. That's it. Okay. So how the things are working out, and then where we are getting an execution gates and all. So the execution gate, if you see, I will be finding three locations. One is on super ledge, another one is on value very high and low in both market profile and volume profile, and high volume node and the low volume node. So I will be referring to high volume node and low volume node, which is going to be it's rejected or accepted, and that and all I will be seeing. So you see this, here is the high volume nodes. So this high volume node, it's getting rejected or accepted. So that I will be seeing. Already the levels have been hidden, but still the levels are stronger. That's why the same place it's getting rejected from the B period. So still now B period not finished. Once B period finished, we will let you know, because so the rejections exactly it should come in the same place. So HVN rejections, the good place for on a best place for on a trade. So this is the basic concepts which I'm working on it. So see this exactly. It's a high volume node. It's a high volume. The sellers on this place, but still the market it's closed on green. So let's see. The POCs are getting formed in this place. The POCs are getting formed in this place. So we need to watch this place very closely. And we have taken a trade, and I will update you on that. Like, which is going to be end up in profit or in loss or whatever it is, I'll update you. Okay. So understand the market how it is performing, and last 3 4 days how it is performed. So then you will be getting an idea. And then let's come to OA chart. So OA chart, how it is developed. So because kind of the situations, what the big players will do, the big players exactly they will do that. Like they will just observing the market. They will just observing the market, and they wanted to like what they will do. They will just do the process. They whatever they wanted it, they will start to accumulate, right? The positions they will start to accumulate. So when start to accumulate the positions, what will happen? The compression will happen. That compression is happening now. So that compression is exactly for our sweet spot to trade. Understand? Actually, these things I cannot able to let you know in the kind of on a live trading sessions, and then I'm just putting in a disclaimer that I'm not on a SEBI registered trade analyst. So you just please consult your financial advisor for do any kind of on a trade. So that's why. Okay. What we will do exactly when kind of this POC once it comes, and we will wait for the process, how the buyers and sellers are in the market. Again, the same place are getting rejections. Let's wait. And the hubback is our exactly the place the hubback has been come in the period. So the B period exactly it came to the opening. So that means it is an open action type. Open action type, I told you, which is one of the least probability method, which is going to be form on a standard profile. They like kind of on a normal day. It will form like this, like opening and closing, like opening and closing. It will come like that. So these are the things are going to happen today. So where the zone we have marked this place, so this place is the selling zone. So this selling zone actually it's acting like on a sell areas, but still we will be waiting, see the buyers, the same place the buyers has come again. So how do you guys are preparing for a trade? So because whatever the mindset is very important when you have an a profit or loss, whatever it is. So what we will do exactly, so we will find an allocation and we will get an idea, and after we will trade accordingly. That is what. Okay. So still now, like I'm waiting, so I will update you whatever it is. And I told you this is my the how back, this how back below it should not come. It is come below, then we will be like shopping area today. So I'll be shopping area. I think after that doing a trade, it's kind of on a suicidal attack. So that we cannot able to do any time. So what we will do, then we will close our trading desk and we will go. So if in case we are sitting further, then we will be do trading like a normal people, and then we will just lose confidence. So that's why either lose or win, just close it up and find it out on a good trade points and then do it accordingly. And I wanted to tell you that I have another one point to discuss here, so which is that you can able to see my screen of this. You can see this This is on a like our kite Zerodha. So Zerodha, we have on a multiple options. So this was I'm using since in last 1 2 3 weeks. I think I have built on a this thing. They have an option actually. You can select here whichever default desk you need or a trade desk you need or scalper. You are a scalper, then you can put it up on a scalping mode. You can do many things here. So that is what they were told, and accordingly, like we were just doing this one, and you can select whichever call options you required and put options you required, whatever it is, and you can watch all in one shot. Wow, it's on a very good it's a great fall, and let's go and check it in our short this thing. Yeah, it came below half back. I think my stop loss have been hidden, so let's me see. Yes, my stop loss has been hit, and the trade secret I have explained you already. The trade secret is very simple. The trade setup, I got it in this place, but it was in a buying area, then I had purchased, and again it has been coming to the selling side, and it has been come again here. So what is happening here again, the buyers, they're doing their job again here. So what I'm expecting today, it's going to be a chopping period, maybe afternoon 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, may chances something can happen. So we will be waiting for another 1 to 2 hours. So based on that, like we will be trading. Okay. So where I have taken exactly the trade, I have taken exactly in this 95 lots is there. No, in this place I have taken, and it went till here. But my target was, I told you, my target was this POC. So this selling zone, this area like 24,565, I have taken a trade. It has been crossed also, but again the sellers have come in the same place and they push the market down in the great way. So they had come here. See the POC again. So this is kind of on a stop loss hunting. So many times it will happen in the market. So we have to be ready for this all. So again, the same place it has come. So what we will do now, this is open action type. So open action type, we will not trade much and we will just watch. Maybe till afternoon we will watch. Maybe in afternoon session, maybe the C or D or E period once finish. That area we will see some buyers and sellers imbalance. So based on that, and we will do. It's kind of on a yesterday like that. See this A period, it's opened, went upside and came down, and it again it's went and again it came down. The C period, and we thought of it completely. This will be the range bound day, but when E period once finished, this is afternoon session. This area exactly they got an accumulation here and they went up. So this is what happened. Okay. So when we see the kind of an action failure, we can confidently take a trade and we can sit and it will go up. So it is went upside also. So this is a small hint about the market, because we are every day I'm watching the market profile, and the market profile is giving me on a different insights every day. So that is why it's perfect. Like it has been come again on the same levels, and I will be waiting for till afternoon, like around 11:30, 12. So I will be till the time it will be this going to be a chopping. Okay. So you know now the upside levels and downside. I think. Sorry. So we want to see the chart, right? Yes. So this is a chart now. So I think hope you can see now my chart view. So we have an, a reference, different references, a downside and upside. Downside, of course, the POC, it will be a very good reference. So POC will put it up. And upside, this is my one of the POC, and we can delete this level, and it will be little confusing. So we can delete, and this level also we don't want. So this level also we don't want. So clearly you can see upside on POC, downside on POC, and value very low, value very high. This is value very high, and here it is on a selling zone. This area completely a selling zone. So this selling zone, due to that, the sellers have entered in this place and they have given a selling side as well. So this going to be a range bound day today till 12 o'clock, or maybe after 12 o'clock it can be a rally, or it can become to fill this area. So this complete location, that's why. Okay, like weekly references we wanted to see, right? Weekly references only last week. So last week references we'll see now 19th to 25th. So 19th profile, this one, 19th profile, merge right, again merge right, and merge right. Yes, of course. The first location we will see the value area high. So this is value area high. Let me write it down so you will be properly the area you can mark and kept it ready. So value area high of the market profile, and we will copy the same line and we will put this is the POC of market profile and volume profile both. So what we can do this. So POC, weekly POC, right? So weekly POC, MP and VP. Okay. So we'll use shortcuts. This one. So this one, and you see the low volume nodes are here. So these low volume nodes can be used as a target. Even you can mark as a zone or whatever it is. So you can, this is as a weekly, I'm telling you. So this is maybe next week, the market wanted to get inside this profile, then it will be used as a target. This area. And I don't find any kind of unbalanced area and all. So I don't wanted to wait for it. So I don't want to mark anything over there or on above, right? So done. So downside you have on three references, weekly value very high. So these levels are most beautiful levels, and upside there is a selling zone. So this is on a selling zone. This complete area is a selling zone. Most beautiful places are there. So based on this, we will work out further. Okay. So if it is breaks IB, then it will come to this place like this area. So value very low also, value very high also is here. Low volume node as well. Let's see. So many markings I think would be confusing. So I watch in the chart itself. Hope my voices are clear, right? Hmm, there won't be any interruptions between that. So how we are arriving to these points and all. So this is that's what I'm telling you again and again. This was very simple concept, the market profile which we are using, and this software is Quantower which we are using. But Quantower is okay, but it is there on a monthly subscriptions. But monthly subscription are I think 6 months subscriptions are there, quarterly and yearly are there. But still, I would recommend the permanent software. So the permanent software I will be purchasing shortly. So that maybe after upcoming lives in that one I will be doing. So that is very easy and then very good software as well. Yes, actually, my SL already has taken out because always I will be putting my stop losses below of a how back of A period when personally I took this P period trade because I have only how back as a reference in this place because I don't have any nearest reference this area and this area. So what I did exactly below the how back, I just put my stop loss. It has been hit also. So it's a very simple. Here I have put on my stop loss and it's already here taken out. So this area it has been taken out. We have to be very much careful while trading on these things because always without SL I don't trade. So I will be doing always with an ISL because we should have a backup plan. So that backup plan should work. Even we are losing also is fine because all the trades like all the results will come shortly. When you have a consistent, the results will come shortly. So let's see. Um, have a very good place, and here all POCs clubbed together, its market pushed downside, and B period just finished. So I told you this is open action. So open action type is the least method, and it will produce only a range bound day. So still C, D, E. So these areas we are not expecting any kind of trade. We are just watching the market closely and how the OA is getting developing. So when you guys taken a trade, you should not be get feared about it. So when you don't have a fear, so then you will be confident on your trade. So when it's perform, not perform, everything it's easy for you. And guys, it's a game. Like if we cannot able to predict either we can win or not, so we have to play our game safely, so then only we can able to survive in the market, in the live market, right? In the market well pushing happening. So this is a like kind of an breakout from IB. So IB range is here. IB range is here. This is the IB range. So from the IB range, it's going to get broke. Exactly. So you can ask me that, sir, market is started here, but why you marked levels are here? Because I set it the each block is 10 points. So I'm using 10 points method in the market profile, the concept. So I'm not in a hurry of trading. Like trading actually just on a secondary part. So our primary part is that the understanding the market. That's it. And we will see the OA developments. So OA developments where it has been developed the last 15 minutes and 10 minutes and 5 minutes both. And we will come to know that the buyers and sellers who is in the market. And before, when we saw the both are almost equal, I think 5 lakhs or something they were different, but almost equal. And now the total call OA in the market is almost 6.85 crore, and the put OA is almost 6.31 crore. And let's come to the OA change. The OA change where it is, because OA change is very important in the market. Because when we see the in the early in the market, like early in the morning, the call OA was very less, almost half in the put OA, but now they were developed like anything. Call OA is almost 2.84 crore and put OA is 2.2 crore. So which is means that the call OA change has been increased. So they are giving an a fight back. So multi OA strike we'll see. So multi OA strike, it will give on a long view about it in the market. So the 9:55 in the morning, the market, like the call OA has been developed and put OA has been dropped. And we'll see the last 15 minutes, like you see last 15 minutes, the put writers like almost they were winding in the market complete portions. If you see 24,350, 24,400, and 24,300 all areas. Hope you can see my screen, otherwise I will just put my screen in this one. Just a minute, I'll just put my screen so you could able to see this is the last 15 minutes. So when last 15 minutes, you see the unwinding how that happened in the put OA, and 10 minutes we'll see. So 10 minutes also the unwinding has been happened, and then again the call side the developments has been happened. And 5 minutes, in 5 minutes you see this unwinding how much it's happened. So these all are the sequence. So when we have to check oftenly this OA change, so this OA change, it will be very important open interest. So let's see the market stands at 24,300. So this 24,300, how it is going to perform, and see exactly it's came and stay at like kind of on a same levels, same like yesterday. I'll be reset it at all. I'll show you yesterday. So market exactly it's formed. This is inside it, inside bar B period. It has been formed. This is also inside bar, and C period has come, and one TPOs are came down. So then it has been given on a rally. So this rally again it's came to the same place and it's given on a rally. So let's see the market it's going to repeat the history or not. So that we will check. But you can ask me this much yearly it's going to touch or not. Maybe it will happen, no? It's a very good rejection actually from this place. It's almost 88 points. Very good rejections from this place. So what I do especially that I'll be waiting for the levels whenever the request are required. So I'll be wait because the two TPOs now it's confirmed that it will given a push downside. So where we have the reference first, this POC, like this value very high and this POC. So these two areas we have a very good reference. So what we will do, we'll just mark this POC and then we'll mark the value very high itself. So especially that two areas, we will get it done. So I told you clearly that my first trade was in a loss. I end up in loss, and I was waiting for my SL to hit, and then after I have all let you know, guys, that this was happened. So I was in a mute. So just I had another call. That's why. It's coming down. So it's coming down means that we can aim this low volume area. So this low volume area, it will just cross and hit on this POC. Wait for some time so that it will be get confirmed in these areas. Still, I'm not trading. I'm not doing any trading. It looks like an FOMO and this looks like a trap as well. So why I wanted to trade, because I just got hit my SL, and then again I will be like I will take time because my uh, like for whole context I wanted to check it up again. So why we lost? So that's we need to write it down in the diary always. And monthly, what I said, monthly we are in bearish but in a neutral mode because all stops are here. So I said neutral mode in the monthly. And weekly we said it's on a bullish, so it's completely on a bullish mode we tried. And then the daily volume is higher than yesterday's. And the volume profile it's covered yesterday's volume profile completely. And volumes has been higher than below. Like if you count, this is how back, so above the how back is 10,000, but still in bearish mode. So this is in a bearish mode. Like as I told, like in the last moment what happens exactly. So it's got rejected from the high volume, so this area, so high volume is got rejected this POC. So due to that is exactly it's went like it's on a rise over happened yesterday's. So this rise, the reason that the gap up opening, and the gap up opening again the got rejected in the high volume node of this area. So it's got rejected from this area exactly, and it is coming down. It's coming down to where? So coming down to this value area high, it's first place, and this one is second place. So this is what which we have now the context. So if in case market coming downside or market going upside, whatever it is, if it is upside, we will wait for till D, E, F, G, that period. So we are expecting in that period only. So we are taking on a break now. So we are leaving from the live, and I had given you already the levels, everything in the upside and downside. So based on that, just follow. And then afternoon session, it may be given on a good results, because on the morning session, this is on a just on a open action type. Maybe up and downside, it will go and come back. That's it. Okay. So thank you so much for joining this live, and everyone who ever joined in this live. So I'm happy about that. And maybe tomorrow I will become yearly, and then I will explain you the basic concepts, how I'm following the system, complete market profile, and based on that, how I am planning for my trade. So accordingly, I will explain you on that case. Okay.